Hello everyone, I'm going to do an unboxing of the new rat box. It is called Ratpack. This is the second box I have gotten from them. So I am very excited to see what's in here. I just took the tape off. As you guys can see, I had difficulty opening the tape. I'll show you guys what's in here. And sorry if I sound a little bit funny. I'm sick. But I'm going to show you guys anyways what's in here. So when you open it, you have this is what you see. It has a little rat on it. It's so cute. So when you open it, that's what it looks like. Take tissue paper off. And it says care to share. So share this month's goodies on Instagram or Facebook. You know about it. Weekly receive 25% off your renewal. So that's cool. First thing I see in here is tasty crisp treats. Tasty treats for rabbits, guinea pigs, hamsters, and other small animals. Corn, wheat, and soy free. That's good. So that's what they got. Next thing I see in here is this. This is awesome. It's a little willow barbell. So it looks like this. Sorry, I got a phone call. That's cool. My rats will love that. Next thing I see in here is this thing. Ooh, they would really like this. It's a knot nibbler. It's a mini one. And I forgot to mention this box is $20 a month. So look at that. This is interesting. Really interesting. What the fudge is this? Stuck. What the hell? It's a funny bunny. Oh, that's cute. That makes sense now. It's a little funny bunny. And it hangs on the cage. So that's cool. For rabbits, guinea pigs, chihuahuas, pet rats, hamsters, mice, and gerbil. That's kind of sad that they have to put this on there. This pet chew is not intended for children. Like, really? You have to put that on there? But that's cool. So, that I got. And then I got this too, which is Animal Garden Patch. Oven baked treats for pet rabbits, guinea pigs, rats, and hamsters. So that's good. Another treat. Passion would love that. And then this is the nut treat. They always pack a nut or fruit treat. Ooh, dried pear. She got cashews last time. Now she got pear. I wonder if she'll like this. We'll try it. But yeah, that's the box. It's $20 a month like this online. I've seen it for $6. This is probably about $5 or $7. This is probably $7 or $8. This treat is probably $4 or more. This is probably $5, how big it is, plus dried pears. I don't know, probably about $1 something. So yeah, that's Ratpack. It comes every month. It's $20 a month. I'll leave the website down below for you guys to join if you have rats. And I hope you guys enjoy. Have a wonderful day. Bye.